of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.